to block someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to block someone on Facebook. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just go to the search icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and from there on the search bar just simply search for the person that you would want to block. So for example, I want to block this person right here. So in order to block them, all you have to do is just simply open their profile, and on their profile you will be able to see these three dot menu icon. Just simply tap on it, and from there you will be able to see bunch of different options like add friends, report, and other options. Just simply click on the block section from there, and it will ask you to reconfirm your action before you even go ahead and block this person permanently. So just simply confirm your action while clicking on block from the pop-up itself, and the blocking has been started. And as you can see that you have blocked this person from your profile forever. So this is basically how you will be able to block someone on Facebook. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.